So we'll go through the first round so you can see it. And then we'll do a little bit. So we're going to start to the right. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Right? Let's go. This song is on 4s, so we're going to start to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pivot, and then you're going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then we're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do a dip, so it's step, tap, step, tap. Okay? So let's start again from the top. 4, 4 to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Tap. This is the dip. Okay? Good. So we've tapped here. So you're going to tap and kick for a quarter turn. Think about the clock. Right? Quarter turn. Then tap and kick for a half turn. Okay? And now left heel, right heel. Left heel, right heel. Because it's on 4. So let's go back here to this part. Let's just start from the top. 4 to the right. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Dip. Tap. Tap. Quarter turn. This way. Tap and kick. And then left heel, right heel, left heel, right heel, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3. And then the dip. Tap, 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 tap. Kick. Quarter turn and tap. Half turn. Then left heel, right heel, left heel, right heel, and right. Okay? So just make sure it's a 4 count, so your other foot always there's always a tap, even though sometimes I forget to say it. So we'll just go through.